Have you always wanted to start your own YouTube channel, but you think it's too late? Think again. YouTube is the most popular video sharing platform in the world with over 2 billion monthly users. With such an enormous user base, it's no wonder people wake up every morning to post content on YouTube. In fact, as the second goes by, every second that goes by, people post content every day on YouTube. So you need to start your own channel. You might be asking yourself, is it too late to start a channel? The answer is definitely not. It is not too late. In fact, I'll be giving you 5 reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel right now. So make sure you stick around to the end. For those seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Samuel Zain. I'm a YouTube creator living in Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. So please smash the subscribe button. Make sure you smash it, like smash it. Make sure you comment. Your subscription goes a long way in motivating me. So help me by subscribing to my channel. Let's get right into it. The first reason why you need to start up a YouTube channel is you can connect with others who share your interests. YouTube is not just about posting videos and watching videos. It is also about connecting with those that share similar interests with you from all around the world. In fact, when you start your creating journey, your creator journey, you will find yourself interacting with vloggers, with other creators, and even collaborating on projects which can help further your career or just make friends along the way. YouTube is a community, or rather, YouTube is a strong community with many creators. It is a place where you can find people with similar interests and connect with others. So now is the best time to start your own. Now is the best time to find your own community. So in a community, what do they normally do in a community? They join hands together, they learn new things together, they share ideas together, and everyone is welcomed to this community, both viewers and creators. Everyone is welcome in this wonderful community. So I advise you now to start your own YouTube channel so you can find your own community. The second reason is you will learn new skills. Making videos is not easy at all. It will force you out of your comfort zone. You will learn skills like video editing and graphic designs. You see, this skill learning, it will be beneficial to you in your future career, and all that. And it might be one of the best reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel today. Creating YouTube videos may seem as easy as recording a video in your phone and uploading it, but for some creators, a lot more goes into it, from editing to creating an effective thumbnail to writing a strong description for your videos and captions. All these things are not easy. This is the reason why you need to start a YouTube channel today, so you can learn a new skill. You can learn video editing, you can learn graphic designs, you can learn how to optimize videos and all that. So it is a very good reason for you to start a YouTube channel today. The third reason why you need to start up a YouTube channel today is it can be a great way to make money. YouTube offers its partners multiple ways to monetize their content, which means that making videos can be a lucrative venture if done right. So you can make money through YouTube. How do you make money? From AdSense revenue to sponsored deals and affiliate links, there are so many opportunities out there for creators looking to make money out of their content. Just as when you join YouTube, you won't get an audience. YouTube is not a get rich quick formula. What I'm trying to say is, when you start a YouTube channel, you won't start making money. It will take a while. It will take some time before you start making money on YouTube. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, and this is very difficult to come by. But with consistency and with hard work, everything will come in place. Everything will be okay. Your audience will grow. Then you can start making money off YouTube. The fourth reason is it offers you the chance to reach a huge audience. YouTube has over 1 billion monthly users. Your audience potential on YouTube is huge, very huge. So whether you're just starting out or you already have an established audience, YouTube is an effective format to reach a wide audience or a wider audience. Remember that building a brand and audience online, it's never easy, and creating a YouTube channel is by no means a quick way to reach millions. But if you take time to learn how the platform works, you can understand what your audience wants. You can understand what your audience watch online. If you dive deep into YouTube analytics and study everything there, you can understand everything about your audience. You know when and how to post, you know the topics to post and all that. There are so many YouTubers that have shared their growth on this platform. They shared what how many months it took them and what they did to get to where they are. So you need to tune in and grab the opportunity, learn from them, learn from the mistakes, learn from everything that they did. If you learn and apply the same thing they did, you definitely get your audience. Trust me. The fifth reason is everyone has a unique perspective to contribute. The beauty of YouTube is that there is always space for everyone, there is space for every content creator. Everyone has their own unique perspective in whatever content they are doing. Whether you're into fitness, home decor, makeup, baking, there is always room for content creators who can bring in their own style to the platform. When you start your own YouTube channel, you can see that some creators are already doing the kind of niche you want to do. Don't be discouraged. Listen, you have your own POV and you don't know who will connect with you. You don't know how others will react to your take or your perspective. So don't be discouraged. You need to do your own in your own way. Do your own content in your own way, and you will get your own viewers. You will get your own unique viewers and audience. With all the reasons I've listed, I hope I was able to convince you to start your own YouTube channel. I hope. If you've been watching me to this very moment and you've not subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please help me and subscribe to this channel and make sure you click the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post new content. And guys, please, I want you to check out my video, the video I made about my monetization journey. So please click on the video and please help me and watch the video and make sure you comment on that video. See you guys next time.